Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi guys, Jessica here. Have you ever wanted to be a part of a beach walking tour? Then this is definitely the right video for you. I'm here to bring you a preview of the Viagem Beach Tour 2023. We have an action-packed day of sightseeing. We'll start off with a stroll along the most amazing pristine and beach you can ever imagine. With its crystal clear water and never-ending shoreline, this place is truly an amazing sight. You won't want to miss out on the unique wildlife and vibrant culture. After that, we'll explore the stunning architecture around the area. Each building or piece of artwork has its own unique story to tell. And then we continue on by diving into the heart of local events. You'll get to experience any celebrations and parties for yourself. I highly recommend checking out the local bars and clubs too, which are full of amazing energy. As you can imagine, it's going to be a fantastic day. And of course, there will be plenty of food and drinks to sample. Anything from street food to full-on gourmet meals will be available to enjoy. Nothing beats the local flavors that are sure to satisfy everyone's cravings. It's going to be quite the mouth-watering experience. So don't forget your cameras. So be sure to join us in 2023 for the Viagem Beach Tour. It's sure to be an unforgettable experience for everyone. Click the like button and leave a comment down below if you're excited for this amazing adventure. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to be the first to know when the tour is available. I'll see you all soon.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!